Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe. To get started with Filmora for beginner video editing, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in Filmora and press enter. Locate the official Filmora website in the search results. Click on the link to the official Filmora site to access the homepage. Once on the homepage, look for a button or link that says try it free or download. Click on this button to begin downloading the software. Your browser will prompt you to select a location to save the installation file. Choose a location that is easy to find and click Save. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Double-click on the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Filmora on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open Filmora. You will see options for signing in or creating an account. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create a Filmora account. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and a password. After filling out the information, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification link from Filmora. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Filmora application and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, look for the subscription options or pricing page. Select the plan that suits your needs best. Fill in the payment details as required to complete the subscription process. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation. Now you are ready to start using Filmora for your video editing projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.